All right, now we're going to approach some three-dimensional analysis. So the problem I'm doing here is about shipping. We're shipping 300 boxes, and each of these boxes has a density of 3 grams per cubic centimeter. And each box has the dimensions of 4 inches by 6 inches by 12 inches. So not in the same units. My density is per cubic centimeter. My box is measured in inches. What am I going to have to do? For each pound of box that I ship, it's going to be 40 cents. And I give you the conversions that 1 pound is equal to 454 grams. And that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Ignore the blue stuff because that's the solving. We have to figure that out first. But first, I just want to address, you have to convert, if you're doing a problem that's 3 dimensions, you have to perform the conversion from the length that you're talking about to the length that you're going to 3 times. So you can't just convert one side from inches to centimeters, because then your units would just be centimeters times square inches, and that does no one any favors. So we have to convert all 3 sides to cubic centimeters, which I did up here, and then I multiplied those to get the volume of my box. So if you know how much space each box takes up, you know the density, you know the cost per gram, you can figure it out. Now, you could do it in 2 ways. You can do each side individually, or you can convert it all to cubic inches and then convert from cubic inches to cubic centimeters, keeping in mind that you have to do this step 3 times, or cube the function. You'll get the same answer either way, and that provides you with the last necessary relationship you need, which is the number of cubic centimeters per box. So, looking at the information provided in the problem, we have 300 boxes. That number is by itself. It's not in a relationship. It's single, and it's ready to dance. So we're going to use that one. We write 300 boxes. We can relate boxes to volume in cubic centimeters. So we do that. Whenever we're doing dimensional analysis, we need to put whatever units we had on the top of the previous step on the bottom so that they cancel out. If we stop the problem after this step, we would know how many cubic centimeters we have. Then I can relate cubic centimeters to grams using the density. So it's 3 grams per cubic centimeter. Now, if I stopped, I would know how many grams I had of boxes. Then I can relate that to pounds, because I need to do that because the cost is per pound. So 1 pound is 454 grams. If I stop there, I'd know how many pounds. But I could just keep going. I would say it's 40 cents per pound, and in each dollar there's 100 cents. And when we do the problem out, we would have a value of $3,742, which, because I only gave you one significant figure in a whole bunch of these steps, really, we would have to round that to $4,000. So again, when you're doing a conversion that requires converting your units within 3 dimensions, you have to perform the process 3 times.